Polite and respectful, winning the tone game on calls. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we are going to focus on an important aspect of telephone and video call etiquette: using a polite and respectful tone. It's especially crucial when you're handling difficult or angry callers. Let's learn together how we can maintain a professional and calm demeanor during these situations. Tone refers to the attitude you express through your voice. It's not about what you say, but how you say it. When you're on a call, your tone of voice is crucial because it's the primary tool to convey your emotions and attitudes. And remember, a polite and respectful tone can often diffuse a difficult situation. It shows the caller that you're ready to listen and help, making them feel valued and respected. There are a few key elements to using a polite and respectful tone. 1. Pitch. A high pitch might indicate stress or panic, while a low pitch could signal boredom or disinterest. Aim for a middle range, calm and steady. 2. Volume. Speak in a moderate volume. Too loud can sound aggressive. Too quiet might seem uninterested. 3. Pace. Speak clearly and slowly. Rushing can make you sound impatient. 4. Inflection. Use variations in your voice to add emphasis and avoid sounding monotone. 5. Emotion. Convey empathy and patience. This can be achieved through phrases like, "I understand," or "I see where you're coming from." Maintaining a polite and respectful tone, especially in difficult situations, requires practice. Here are a few tips. 1. Stay calm. This is easier said than done, but it's vital. Even if the caller is angry, maintain your composure. 2. Listen actively. Show the caller that you're engaged and interested in resolving their issue. You can use phrases like, "I see," "Okay," and "Go on." 3. Use positive language. Avoid negative phrases. Instead of saying, "I don't know," you can say, "Let me find that out for you." 4. Apologize when necessary. If the caller is upset about a mistake, don't hesitate to apologize. It shows responsibility and the willingness to correct the mistake. Thank you for joining us in today's video. Remember, maintaining a polite and respectful tone during a call can turn a challenging situation into a rewarding experience. With practice, you can master this vital skill and improve your overall communication. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to put these tips into practice. See you in our next video.